What is he doing? Are those Takis? Is that milk?
Is he serious right now?
Oh my God, what is his problem?
What are you doing?
I'm eating Takis cereal.
Takis cereal? What do you mean Takis cereal? I've never heard of that.
I saw everyone do it.
No. Your stomach is going to hurt. No.
Yeah, you can't eat that. What are you doing, man?
What are you doing wasting my Takis and my milk?
No.
Let's
Wait,
go.
what?
You're going to timeout.
That was good.
No, let's go.
No, man. Wait, let me try this. So that's where he's been the whole time,
Are
right,
you
son?
serious?
God. Oh my God, no.
Who said you can eat those in the store?
Zakyius. No,
So you taught him this?
No, I
to
didn't.
Eat before we pay?
man, don't blame me for this.
Right now. Give me that.
Hey, get him.
Zakyius, are you serious? You know you're not supposed to be eating Takis.
Huh? Well, I'm Takis.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Bro, you always do this.
Right side, I found him.
Where?
He's right there hiding.
And he has a bag of Takis?
Oh my
Oh, no.
God. What is he
Zakyius.
doing?
What are you doing? We've been looking for you this entire time.
I got hungry.
Really?
Are you serious? And you opened the bag of Takis?
Yeah.
He can't be
Oh,
serious right now.
no way.
No, come over here. Watch this. He's stealing.